Sorry if I keep messing with my hair. I've just washed it. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and my first full day of eating video slash spend the day with me in quarantine. This is going to be basically a video just showing you what I eat typically in a day and, you know, what I tend to do, daily habits, daily routine, finding a routine in quarantine. Out of quarantine, usually I'm up at 5 o'clock, seeing clients, training myself, complete just busy day. Whereas in quarantine, I'm still trying to keep busy, but I am busy in a different way. This is just going to show you a little insight into what I've been getting up to in quarantine and what I tend to eat, my daily habits. This may help some of you with your eating habits at home. Just try to remember that, you know, my lifestyle is going to be completely different. We'll have different macros, different calorie intake, we'll have different goals. I'm more of a maintenance goal at the moment. I'm trying not to put on too much weight in quarantine. I'm trying not to go too lean in quarantine. So I'm kind of maintaining and trying to keep as active as I can. Whereas for you, it might be, you know, striving for weight loss. What I'm having might not suit you, so just bear that in mind. You can use MyFitnessPal, which is really good for tracking your macros. Strongly recommend you to use that. My portion size and what I eat in a day might be too many calories for you. Just bear that in mind when you're watching this video. If you are just here for the food, like I always am, just skip through little bits that I do in between. Get with me in quarantine. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so after I've had my porridge, I have to have my coffee. I love coffee. I have instant coffee, it's very rarely, but I try to stick to proper ground coffee. I have this, usually this is Kenco, I go for smooth. This one tastes nice. I have this in my cafetiere and have that just once a day. I only have coffee once a day. 2 at a push. I don't have black coffee, like a little bit of coconut or oat milk or almond milk in my coffee. It's a bit of this. This is mango flavor drops. These are my protein. They are so strong, so you only need a tiny bit. Put about 2 or 3 drops in the coffee. Say coconut milk in there. It's like a mango and coconut latte. I actually got that from a place called Funes, which I love in Preston. Go and check them out if you haven't already. They are amazing. There's no sugar either in it, so 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sugar. So it's really clean and sweetener to the coffee instead of adding sugar or honey or anything. I don't have a specific amount that I put in, I just pour it in. I would rather smell coffee than drink it actually. But I just leave that to brew for a couple of minutes and then I'm going to squash it down. One reason why I don't have my coffee first thing in the morning is because I like to drink water first thing in the morning and have my breakfast. Hydrate before you caffeinate. Throughout the day, I'll tend to go through maybe 2.5 liters of water, maybe more sometimes from training. If I drink any more than that, then I tend to have electrolytes and BCAAs to replace any nutrients that I might have lost, because you can drink too much water. You have more because you're training or it's hot, then try and replace the nutrients and have electrolytes as well. What I always forget is to put that on that side. The coffee isn't just going everywhere. Once I've made my morning coffee, I am going to video call my friends and family, checking on everyone. Just nice to see different faces and check in and make sure everyone's all right. And then I'm gonna go for a walk. Morning, afternoon, evening, doesn't really matter. I just get it done. I'm gonna clean the house and that will set me up for the morning. So one thing I love to do when I'm going for a walk is listen to an audiobook or a podcast. Sometimes I'll walk for hours just listening to audiobooks and podcasts. I find it so amazing for the soul, just going for a walk, especially when we're stuck inside all day at the moment. It really, really does help. Hungry again. So I'm actually gonna have 2 crumpets with protein spread. Protein spread. Now I know what you're probably thinking, crumpets, really? For me, moderation is key. You've got to have everything in moderation. If you want to have a treat, you want to have something that's seen as not healthy, have it, make sure your calories are on track. Everyone's goals are different. So if you are wanting to get really, really lean, you're wanting to be as strict as possible, then you probably are going to have to cut out these things. But for me, it's not realistic. It's not something that's going to be long term. And if you are wanting to have a healthy lifestyle, you've got to have a good relationship with food. So everything in moderation. So good. Okay, let's train. Okay, so now that I've trained, I'm going to have my second meal. Meal number 2 is chicken and sausages! What is going on with this her? Who knows some baby cars? While the chicken sausages are cooking, I'm going to prep what I'm having with it. Burgers, which is one of my favourite vegetables. Olive oil on, pepper, Himalayan salt, brown basmati rice, every day I'm making different things. I don't have the same thing every day. Some of the recipes will repeat, but porridge is always the same. So I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm in my dressing gown, which is majority of the time. I might do another video of these just to show the difference, because every day is going to be different in terms of food. The rest of the evening I'm just going to sip on a peppermint tea and have some rice cakes. Sometimes have cereal with protein shake instead of milk, which I find is a really nice snack to finish the day. Trying to not watch too much Netflix in the evening. Now and again I'll watch the odd documentary or a film. Still trying to really keep productive throughout the day, but chill in the evening now and again. I've been doing different things like playing board games in the evening, busy that way, so I'm not on the screen all the time, because you know, behind the scenes I'm doing a lot of editing. As you see on some of the videos, I'll be editing on my iPad or my phone, playing back to clients, training my online clients, really just trying to lay off the screen time and not have too much time watching TV in the evening as well, because I was getting a lot of headaches during lockdown. They're trying to limit that screen time in the evening and find other things like reading, chill out with my rice cakes and my peppermint tea, and yeah. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also catch me on Instagram. My name is Cora Elise Fitness on Instagram as well, and you can catch me on there for fitness inspiration and other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you on the next video.